Did you see that? Did you see that? I think that was a war range. 50 plus years in the appliance service industry, and I have never seen a war range.
Welcome back. Today we have a story about a lesson learned the hard way. We call this one Clamshell Economics.
I was about 17 the first time I tangled with a GE Clamshell Timer. Dad handed me one of the switch components and he said, "Here, replace this." That was the full instruction set. He could fix anything, but breaking it down for somebody else, well, it was just easier for him to do it himself. No guidance, no supervision, no cell phone, no YouTube, certainly no tech support. Just a deadline, install the part, then head to Calgary, pick up a Chesterfield for a customer that we were going to deliver the next day. They were corners of basements lit by 60-watt bulb and maybe a dingy window streaked with dirt. No flashlight, no additional light source of any kind, just the good vision of a young man. What most service people don't articulate is vision is sight, feel, and intuition based on experience. At first glance, it looked pretty simple. The switch module was held in place by a single 1/4-inch screw marked with a dab of red paint, so anyone could tell if it had been removed. I removed the screw and the switch moved maybe a bit, but it was hung up inside. Looking at the replacement part, I noticed tiny Bakelite spacers that kept the contacts aligned and separated. When one cracked and broke, the contacts that were never meant to touch would, shorting the circuit. Those spacers, what would happen if I forced it and the spacers broke off inside? Yeah, forcing it out seemed like a bad idea, so with my 17-year-old eyesight, I decided the only way forward was to disassemble the entire timer. Remove the last screw and pop, followed by the unmistakable tiny parts scattering across the inside of a washer. It took hours to reassemble, hours of testing, taking it apart again, move a piece, reverse another, try to get the cycle sequencing just right. When I got home, Dad asked what took so long.